What's up, everybody? Zach here with another Home Depot Seeds Program review. And today we are going over the Metalux 48-inch strip light. It's about 4,000 lumens. It's in the soft white color spectrum. It's got two LED bulbs, your normal sheet metal fixture. It's got a ballast with two wires going to each ballast with a quick, or to each lamp, LED lamp, with a quick disconnect, and it has a ground also going to the cover, which I'll take off and show you. So you can take the cover off and leave it on the ground while you're wiring everything up like I did, and then you can connect easily the, I guess the cover with the two lights on it, two lamps on it, and snap it in. It was pretty easy. I'm happy with the brightness. As you can see, I have it over my table saw. It's going to brighten up the area over my lumber rack, and it was really easy to install. I just took I put it in line between this fixture and the lamp down there. I just turned the power off, cut it, knocked out both of the holes on either end of the light, ran it through, made my connections, and that was pretty much it. Let me see if I can take this down easily because it just snaps in up there. Just squeeze it in a little bit and it comes in. There it is. So let me grab the camera. If I can show you how well it looks. Now it's bright. So we'll go above the light. So up here, I made the connections. Your ballast, there's your two wires going to each ballast with quick disconnect, so you can just easily disconnect those. And then up there is the ground, which I had off, so that I could wire everything. Hopefully you can see that. I could wire everything up in there. And then I did tape the two knockouts up so that my Romex, if it moves around, which it shouldn't, won't get cut, because I didn't have any grommets or anything to put in there. It was really simple install. I just used, that's actually, I think, a sheetrock or a wood screw. Two of them in each joist. You just line them up and then you push the fixture up and slide it over. Really easy install. I'm happy with the brightness of it, the color. I'll step back so you can see the light it throws off. It does look a little bit brighter on camera, obviously, because the light gets picked up a lot more. But I'm happy with the amount of light that it throws over my table saw, my outfeed area, and also it lights up my lumber rack. Down here you can see it's kind of, maybe you can't tell, it's a little dark, but up there it definitely brightens it up a little bit. So I think it's a cool light. It was easy to install. It's good price. It's definitely bright. I have other LEDs. That's an LED. That's an LED. That's in fluorescent, I believe. And they're all fairly close to the same light. I believe that one. No, it's hard to tell again with on camera. Light facing wasn't always good. That one is the brightest fluorescent I think I could get at the time. That was the first one I put down here. So they're good. They're bright. I'll show you the part number real quick. There's the part number. The light range says is over 4,000 lumens. And your average LED advertising. And it comes with a 5-year warranty, which is cool. It's made by Eaton. Eaton Metalux, I believe, is what it says on here. And I'm going to put that back up there. When you're putting it up, you see there's like a little tab right there. There's a tab right there. This channel, let's see if I can show you. The channel, I don't know if you can really make that out. There's it's like a C, and it just snaps up over top of the fixture and clips right on top of the nub. It's really easy. Again, awesome light. Sorry about the video quality. I would recommend it.